What's going on, diecast enthusiasts? How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing very well. I'm doing very well. Thank you very much for asking. So what we got here, man, is we got a mail call from my Uncle Flip. And you know what? I'm very excited because I think we got some really, really good stuff in here. So without further ado, let me crack it open. Not going to show you the address label. Got to keep some things mysterious. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and tear into this. So I've got the address label all taken care of right now. What is this? Super duper tape? Get out of here. We don't need no tape where we're going. Trying to open this party up. But anyways, got some real good stuff. And I'm sorry if I've been ignoring you guys with my long videos. And I can tell you guys are getting sick of the short videos right now. That's fine. I get it. I've been really, really busy lately, just with life in general. My job right now is I'm 2 hours delayed because I took a longer run. Longer run equals more money. So I've also got a fundraiser going on. We've got the giveaway, and it's just a whole bunch of other stuff. So I apologize for doing a video so late. And I just want to say, I'm sorry. I'm not ignoring you guys. So forgive me. But anyways, why don't I stop talking? Why don't I just tear into this thing right now? I don't want to hurt anything, so I'm not really sure how we packed it. But I think we got this, man. Today is Thursday. It's my Friday. And you know what the weekend is, right? We've got the toy convention, which my wife and I will be at. We'll be there Friday night, Saturday for the lunch. We might hang around Saturday during the day. And we're going to set up a booth. What is this? What is this? What did you do? Oh, no. That's all right. Don't worry about it. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. I'm all over the place. So the fundraiser is for our friend. Their son has a brain tumor caused by NF, neurofibromatosis. So we're trying to raise money for the family and for Gavin. And we've got a lot of really great prizes. And we hope to see you guys there. If we don't see you guys there, we're going to have plenty of footage. And we're just going to go have a good time. And yeah, Christine and I really do like these conventions that, you know, for the diecast community. Ooh, he did seal this up pretty well. Got this super sharp knife right now. This is actually one of my favorite cars, and even though this doesn't have the rubber tires, I have the long card, the short card, I have the one with real riders, plastic tires, and this thing I think it's super cool. It looks really good. I love the paint job, and this is not an Impala wagon. So what we have here is the Custom 59 Chevy, which is a panel wagon, or panel van, if you will. Love the colors, the flames, and it's just a very nice car. We also have the TH logo right down there on the flames. We have Treasure Delivery. I love it. I have this one loose, so right there is pretty sweet, my guy. Very nice, metal base. Gotta love it. And these are the treasure hunts that I really do like, are from the early 2000s, mid 2000s. So the other treasure hunts now, they don't really do it for me. I mean, if I find them, I'll be excited. But anyways, we've got more stuff right here. Uh-oh. What is in here? This lovely brick of cars. Let's see what we got. Very, very nice. Here we go. Very nicely packaged as well. So we're going to start off with this one right here, the 65 Chevy Malibu SS. Beautiful, beautiful paint. Gorgeous. We got these super wicked shiny wheels. And look at this engine, man. This is such a cool car. Very nice. This is a Maisto. This is the Pro Rods. And die-cast opening hood. Detailed engine right down there. Wicked sweet. I do like these Malibus. I really do. And this one is no exception. Absolutely none. There's nothing that I really don't like about this. And even though the package is a little bit bigger and bulkier, I still find it wicked cool. I used to look for cars like these. So if I were to guess, this is from 2005. So this one's really old. We have a bunch of others. I do have some Pro Rods, and he was selling it, and I liked it. So I put my bid in. So that being said, I like it. Gonna keep it. Moving on, what do we got here, man? So every time I get... So, interestingly enough, every time I bid on Uncle Flip's stuff, I end up finding it one way or another. And I do a lot of these Facebook auctions, Instagram auctions. So I already have this one. We've already seen it in the short. It's loose, it's open, it's with the other kits. Now I got one carded. So we're gonna put that aside because we already know. We already know what it is. We already know what it looks like. But anyways, this is super cool. I bought this for my wife. The Combat Medic. We have Buzz Lightyear right here, to infinity and beyond. It says Toy Story right there on the hood. Looking very, very nice. Nice wheels, and it's a super cool, fun van. And it's Buzz Lightyear. So Christine, I think she's got the Path Beater. We are missing the Altered Ego, Fish and Chips, and I think we have the Highway Hauler somewhere. But anyways, we're missing those two because we already got the Combat Medic right here. This was from 2019. So I bought this for Christine. I think she's going to like it. So when she comes home, she's going to find it. And Christine already did find me one of these. She said I couldn't keep the one that she bought because that one's for sale. So I ended up getting one from my uncle right here. We got the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Now, I do like this car, which is kind of weird because I said I'm not much of a Civic person, and I'm not, but I also have a collection. So once I start a collection, I don't stop with it, man. Whether I like it or I don't, it doesn't matter. I've already started a collection. But anyways, let's check this car out. We've got full detail up front. We've got these nice gray wheels. Very nice wheel choice, by the way. We got Honda with the number 3. And no details in the rear. What are you doing, Mattel? Come on, man. At least put some, like, fake taillights on that thing. But anyways, it's not a problem. We don't have to worry about it. I do collect Mustangs, and this is a bad card, which is fine by me. The reason why I got this Mustang is because it's in the Hot Wheels livery. And this is also part of the race team series. And this car is from 2015, so it's about 10 years old. So that's the only reason why I got it, because I do have a bunch of these Hot Wheels racing team cars. I'm not sure if I've done a video about them, but I might do another one. I got to go check, but I have a bunch of them. And once I start a collection, I don't stop. This guy does not stop. He doesn't sleep. He eats and breathes collecting cars, no matter what they are. But anyways, I'm having fun. And if you guys didn't really see the short with the kit, let's show it off, man. So this is like the bad boy kit, and we got the flames, we've got the kit interior, and the red light right there, looking very, very nice. No details in the rear. This is out this year, by the way, 2024. Super cool car. And that concludes the mail call. Trying to keep these videos under 10 minutes. So that being said, so please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share. I'll know. Collect what you like, and if you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong, man. So do it right at the time of your life. Later, taters, and I can't wait to see you guys at the toy convention in Manchester, New Hampshire this weekend. Toy show open to the public, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. There's 2 raffles going on. One's a fundraiser, and one's just a regular raffle. It's a 50-50. So anyways, hope to see you guys there. And that being said, I'm going to go. Later, taters.